In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive straight into it. Duplicating a project in Asana can be a huge time saver, especially if you're working on similar tasks or projects that require the same structure. So, first things first, go ahead and navigate to the specific Asana project that you want to replicate. This is the project that you've already set up and now want to use as a template for a new one. Once you've opened the project, you'll need to look for a small caret icon that's located to the right of the project title. This icon often looks like a little downward arrow. Go ahead and click on that icon. It should open up a drop-down menu with several options. Don't worry, we're almost there. In that drop-down, you'll find the option that says Duplicate. This is what you'll need to select to start the duplication process. After clicking on that, a prompt box will appear, asking you to type in a new name for your duplicated project. This is an important step, as giving it a new name will help keep things organized and avoid any confusion later. Once you've entered the new name, take a moment to review the list of checkboxes that appears next. This is where things get a bit more specific. You'll have the chance to choose which elements of the original project you'd like to carry over into your new project. For example, think about whether you want to include task descriptions, timelines, due dates, task assignees, or even attachments. Take a moment to check off what you need. This allows you to customize your new project based on the requirements of your new tasks. Once you've selected the details you want to keep, scroll down to the bottom of the window and click on the button that says Duplicate Project. This final click is what will officially create your new project based on the template you just set up. Now all you need to do is wait a moment for the new project to appear on your dashboard. Depending on your internet speed, this shouldn't take too long. Once you see it pop up, you can go ahead and customize it further if needed. Make any adjustments that suit your new project's requirements. And that's really all there is to it. Duplicating a project in Asana is a straightforward process that can really streamline your workflow. Creating a template for recurring tasks means less time setting things up from scratch and more time focusing on getting the actual work done. Now that you've learned how to duplicate a project in Asana, go ahead and check your results. Make sure everything looks good and test it out to ensure it fits your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Happy